fall mums, pumpkins, and other stuff at Lowe's. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm at Lowe's, and I just want to show you guys what they have at Lowe's, and they have quite a huge selection of mums, pumpkins, and other fall stuff at Lowe's. So check it out, and hopefully you enjoy the video. So here they have different sizes of mums, and they have bigger sizes, small sizes. They have pumpkins, and they have different things. Over here, we have Halloween coming up, and with other fall periods, people have like to decorate and get their yard and house decorated with flowers and pumpkins and other stuff. So definitely, they have a good collection of things here that you could definitely get. They have some pumpkins over here in the bin, and you can use it to decorate for pumpkin for fall and for Halloween. They have fall mums, they have flowers, beautiful flowers. Some of them already blooming, and some of them are still in the process. Over here on this side, they have more variety of them, different colors, and they look really, really good. So definitely something to check out if you're looking for fall decor. Then it's something to check out. They have bales, they have straw bales, they have corn stalks, and some other stuff. So just check it out. Just enjoy the video. I'm just gonna put some music. Enjoy the video, and if you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.